Hello friends, welcome back to CAD Practice. Today we are going to construct a sheet metal bracket in Autodesk Inventor software and learn the Autodesk Inventor basic commands. So let's get started. Go to New, take a sheet metal part in millimeter and go to Create. Now take a 2D sketch. We'll select the XY plane, take the line command and here, or you can take the rectangle command, 2-point rectangle. Make the rectangle here, take coincident, select the center point and here select this green center point of rectangle. Okay, now go to dimension, define this dimension as 15 mm and the total here will be of 50 mm. Okay, now go to circle command, make a circle here of diameter 25, go to horizontal constraint, select the green point, this will be the center point of this line and select the center. Now similarly go to vertical constraint, select the center and select center of the circle. Now the location of the circle is constrained. Okay, go to trim this profile, trim this profile, trim this and trim this. Okay, now here go to dimension, define this again as 15, define this 12.5, define this also 12.5. Okay, from center define this 7.5 and define the center 25. Okay, now finish sketch. Okay, double click sketch 1. Now this is a closed profile, select this line and make it construction geometry. Okay, finish sketch and here go to counter flange. For open profile we will use counter flange command and here I'll take distance mid plane. So the distance of this mid plane will be 25 mm. So this total distance here will be 25 mm and press OK. Okay. Now go to sheet metal defaults, uncheck this and here take a thickness of 1 mm and press OK. Now go to origin and here we'll select the mid plane, the YZ plane, go to create sketch, go to view, visual style, change it to wireframe. Okay, go to sketch again. Here we'll go to the center point slot and here make one slot profile. Okay, go to dimension, define the center to center distance here of 20 mm, define the width of this slot as 5 mm. Go to horizontal constraint, take a vertical constraint and here select this point and select this point. Go to circle command, make one circle here of diameter 5. Now here go to vertical constraint, select this point and we will find the center of this line. Select here. Now go to horizontal constraint, select this and select this. Now select this and select this. Now both the profiles is constrained. Go to finish sketch. Here take cut command, select this profile, select this profile. Take here symmetric and here we'll take all. So this will be a through cut. Press OK. Okay, double click this, symmetric again. Okay, okay, view, visual style, change it to shaded with edges. Okay, now here go to sheet metal. Now we are going to define the other dimensions and profiles. Go to flange command, select this edge. Here we'll go to more settings. Here I'll click width. So the width of this flange will be 10 mm. So this width will be 10 mm and the height of flange will be also 10 mm. Okay, press apply. Similarly here, press apply and exit. Okay, now we'll define the other dimensions. Now select this face, go to create sketch, take circle command, make one circle here of diameter 3 and one circle here of diameter 3. Go to horizontal constraint, select this point and select this center point. Select this point and select this point. Now here, go to the vertical constraint, select this. Similarly, select this center and select this center. Finish sketch, take here cut command, select this and this. It will cut up to thickness of 1 mm and press OK. Okay. Now here you want chamfer on the corners. So go to corner chamfer and here we will take a chamfer of 3 mm. Okay. Go to corner selection, select this and this. Press OK. Now I want the same profile this side as well. So go to mirror, select flange 1, 2, cut 2 and corner chamfer. Go to mirror plane and we'll select the mid plane, the XY plane and press OK. Okay. Now the similar profile has been made. Now here go to flange, select this and rotate the profile and select this end. Take a flange of 15 mm. Okay. And press OK. Select this face, go to create sketch, rotate the view. Now here go to slot, take center point slot and make one slot profile here. Okay. Go to dimension, center to center distance will be of 15. Okay. And the width will be of 4 mm. Go to horizontal constraint. Here select the center, select this center. Go to vertical constraint. Here we'll select this yellow and this green point. Go to line command. Make a center line over here. Okay. And escape. Now here select the center line, make it a construction geometry. Go to mirror and mirror this profile. Go to mirror line, select the center line, apply, done. Finish sketch, go to home, take haircut, cut this profile, and press OK. Okay, now this profile has been cut. Now here go to corner round and take a corner round of 6 radius. Select this corner, this, rotate and this corner. Press OK. Go to home view. Now this is almost complete. Now we'll define the appearance from here. I'll give a appearance as canary. Okay, so this is a yellow finish. If you want to generate a flat pattern, so you just click on create flat pattern. So it will generate a flat pattern of this profile. Okay, now go back to the folded part, click go back. So this will be the folded part. So this was a basic tutorial to how to construct a sheet metal bracket in Autodesk Inventor software. I hope you liked the video. If you do that, please do hit like and subscribe the channel for more such videos.